But let's be honest, studying for the CPA exam can feel like a full-time job. Between long review sessions, dense accounting terms, and endless multiple-choice questions, it's easy to hit a wall. But imagine having a personal study assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, has the right answer waiting for you. Well, that's Newt, Becker's AI-powered learning companion, exclusive to Becker and one of the biggest reasons there are top-ranked CPA review on the market. And one of the best parts is that Newt is included in every single Becker package, from individual exam sections to the full concierge program. Becker students ask Newt more than 1.5 million questions every month, and Newt responds in under 8 seconds on average. So the use is unlimited, and the support is instant. And here's how to use Newt to make your study sessions smarter, faster, and a whole lot more efficient. Number 1, turn every mistake into a lesson. Getting a question wrong doesn't have to sting. It's an opportunity to master the concept. Just ask Newt why you missed it. Newt doesn't just spit out the right answer, it breaks down why your answer was incorrect, how to solve it next time, and walks you through the logic step by step. So it's like having a CPA coach built right into your Becker platform. Number 2, learn the language that works for you. Now, accounting is complex enough without fighting through jargon. Now with Newt, you can ask questions in and receive explanations in your preferred or native language. So whether English isn't your first language or you just learn better when concepts are phrased your way, Newt makes Becker's content clear. Number 3, get instant clarity without leaving your study flow. So you know that black hole of study time when you start looking up one question and somehow end up scrolling forums an hour later? Yeah, well, Newt fixes that. Instead of jumping between websites, you can get instant, accurate explanations right inside Becker's platform. So there's no need for another AI website. Newt sources Becker's curriculum directly. You'll study faster, you'll stay focused, and you'll save hours of frustration. Number 4, let AI build your flashcards. Newt actually helps you study smarter by generating custom flashcard-ready prompts and explanations. While it doesn't create the actual flashcards in your deck, it gives you the content that you need to fill them in quickly and accurately. Number 5, go beyond memorization, actually understand the material. Now, some topics like deferred taxes or governmental accounting just don't click until someone explains them the right way. So ask Newt to walk you through examples, scenarios, or deeper reasoning. The result is that you don't just remember the answer, you understand it. Now, you don't have to wait to try it. Every single Becker CPA review package comes with access to Newt. So whether you're going pro or enrolling in concierge, it's already included. You can start exploring Becker and Newt, Crush's top-rated CPA exam review today. The future of studying isn't on the way, it's already built in.